Hello, good people. Today I will take you to a new lesson. This lesson is about to acquire soft skill for becoming a content writer. So, if you are planning to becoming a content writer, you will need to have those soft skills. So, why do you need to acquire soft skills? The reason is very obvious. Uh, If you want to become a content writer, the soft skills will make your work easier and faster. So I put some checklist here, you can see, uh, and I also keep some notes about this soft skill. So the number one soft skills you will need to acquire, that is typing skills. Typing skills is very crucial to become a content writer, because you will type your article in a very good speed. So I put the typing speed should be 35 WPM. WPM means word per minute. And here is a quick test of a typing skill. Test your typing skills here. So let's get started. So you get to see the typing skill speed is a 454 WPM word per minute. So you don't need to have that much typing speed. 35 minimum typing speed would be great to start, to kickstart. And the second soft skill is a very important soft skill. This is about your browsing skill. So whenever we surf anything on internet, we need to open up any types of browser. The types of browser would be Mozilla Firefox, Chrome, Opera Mini, and so on. But for writer, I always recommend you to use Google Chrome browser, because Google Chrome browser comes with a few features that the rest of the browsers won't come with those features. The very first feature, very important feature, is the Google Chrome extension. So if you are new to Google Chrome browser, then you should come to know about the Google Chrome web store. Let's here. So this is a Google Chrome web store where you will get to find very important extensions, and this extension will help you a lot for writing stuffs. So I have some extensions. This is about keyword everywhere, view letter, over suggest. Okay. So when you will search anything on the internet, like let's say then this extension will help you to fetch more related keywords. Okay, so this is over suggest you get to know, and this will tell you the search volume. However, this is not an accurate search volume, but you will come to know about this search volume. Then you will need to know how to use incognito tabs. So Google Chrome user basically use new incognito window so that they will not have some cookies, they won't have some recent histories, and this incognito mode will not affect the keyword search, cookies policies. For example, if I search some keywords for frequent basis in normal Google Chrome, then the keyword will come to the location based in Bangladesh locations, but whenever we will use the Google Chrome incognito mode, the search result will be more authentic, and the search result will be based on US locations. So this is very important. Another very good reason why you should use Google Chrome browser, because you will find the bookmarks. Here you can see that I have a bookmarks bar here, which bookmarks is very important to me. Okay, so also Google Chrome users have some good stuffs. They can align the tabs in one tab. Let's give you the example. For example, I'm working with the spreadsheets, or I'm working with some specific Google tabs. Okay, here is the one Google tab, and here is the another Google tab. So here is another Google tab. Another Google tab. So I can align those three Google tab in one. That is a group user. Add tab to new group. Click here and put this color. Okay. So whenever you click here, okay, this will be in one alignment, and you can close this three tab at once. And this is very helpful. For example, you are opening Google Docs, you align these three tabs in one place, you open up the spreadsheets, number of spreadsheets, okay, here 1 2 3, just like this, and you can also align those spreadsheets in like this Google Docs. So there are many usage actually to use those Google Chrome browsers, and you can get to know about how to use Google Advanced Search. So Google Advanced Search is basically about when you are trying to figure out a keyword in exact locations. For example, you have a keyword, the keyword would be book review of Australian wildlife photographer. So you need this. You need the exact Australian locations, Australian results, search results. So here you will find the advanced search. You can see here advanced searches. So you can put the Australian locations here, Australia. And now this search result is from Australia. So I just give you some basic browsing skills based on Google Chrome browser. There are tons of extension in Google Chrome, and in future reference I will talk about them, inshallah. Then the tools operations, the third, soft skills. Okay, the tools for operations, Google Excel sheets. So why should you use Google Excel sheets? Because Google Excel sheets will help you to record your keywords, your payment, your word count. For example, this is keyword, this is for doc links, here is for word count, okay, and this is payments. This is for payments. For example, you have a keyword 1, 2, 3, and you have lots of keywords, like 19 keywords. So here you will put those Google links here. For example, this is a very here you will put the here you can put the word count. For example, 700 words, 900 words, 600 words, and here you can calculate the payment. Okay, so this is why you should use the Google Chrome payment sheets. Okay, then you need to have a plagiarism checker, and I always prefer to use CopyEscape. CopyEscape is a plagiarism checker tool that is very accurate and very well accepted plagiarism checker tool. All you need to do is to check your keyword, check your articles over there. This is my tool. So while you will write something, you can just copy paste here and search here internet, and this is a good tool. You need to purchase credits. You can purchase at least $10 for the CopyEscapes. And now I scroll down to a very important tool. This is Google Docs. Google Docs is a very important stuff, I believe, because it can track you all of the article stuffs in real time. If you have the internet, then you will write something, whatever you will write, this will automatically saved in that Google Docs. Okay. Apart from this, Google Docs also help you to track record the version story. For example, this is here. Let's take you to the another steps automobile. take you okay. For example, you have created a Google Docs and write your article stuffs, uh, and now you want to know when did you write those article, and how did you edit your articles. To show this stuff, you will go to the file option, then the version story, see version story here. So I write this article in 20 March, okay, on this year, 20 March, and the time as well. These are the different types of version stories. For example, I write optimized first, then I edit it to optimized SED. This is the version story. Also, Google Docs is very easy to share. You can share to your client, and it has three options. For example, you are giving a sample to a new client, you will create the viewer options, and you will send the final output for the paid client. Then you will open the edit options here, according to your will, according to your preference. Okay, and I have already shown how to use the spreadsheets. So whenever you will use the spreadsheets, in the payment spreadsheets actually, then you can put those doc links in payment sheets. Okay. This is what I just transfer the link, article writing service here. And finally, I personally use Trello. Trello is a very quick tools. It helps to work with many writers. So go to the Trello.com. For example, if you are working in a team, or if you are working with many projects, project 1, 2, 3, 4 and many, then you can open up this. For example, let's open up here. Okay, this is a different writers names. This is not accepted, past article, old articles. You can optimize according to your preference. So this is all about the soft skills for becoming a content writer. Hopefully you love this video, and in future reference I will try to make more videos regarding soft skills. So today the soft skills lessons is come to an end. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like. Okay, then so I will be motivated to make more videos about how to become a content writer, how to become an SEO content writer, more and more.